Maradona has a farm. Here, oh. When I was a kid, that was my favorite song. Wow, still at my fingertips. Hello, sweetheart.
Hi, babe. Babe, how are you?
What's up?
Babe, please, I need you at the poolside. Would you please come right now? It gets lonely.
But I already pre-informed you that I can make it to the poolside.
What? Tell me we are joking. I'm done with your frequent excuses, okay? It's high time I drop this piece of crap.
Oh, sorry. No hard feelings. I'll be there with the speed of light. I should have cut my coat according to my glove. I'm now paying a huge price of dating a slave queen. I'm financially constrained. I ain't got money to buy an expensive shit to honor the occasion. She's selfish. She doesn't even satisfy my sexual desires, only going to Paris and all those stuffs. Wait, what are they up to? Oh, sounds like they are mentally impaired. And what does this decent guy got to do with them? He's a mentally impaired, and with this huge sum of money? Yeah, I got an idea. Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please, I wish if you could kindly spare me a minute of your time.
How many minutes?
Just 2 minutes.
Okay.
I am the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. And immediately you wear my uniform, it means that I have relinquished my position to you to serve Mother Ghana.
I can also be a soldier.
Yes.
That's nice. I would like to wear a uniform. I want to be a soldier.
Attention. Let's march.
Let's march to the jubilee house.
It's not a jubilee house, it's a plaza.
Respect.
Let's march.
Left, right. Waka.
21st century barter trading, and I won. Taxi.
Team! Bilbo team!
Stop, driver, stop. We have found a patient we've been looking for. Stop.
Yes, that's him. Stop.
We have found him. Hello, doctor. Doctor, we found the absconded patient. We will monitor him at either eye. His personal details were not taken when he escaped. Yes, his clothes were able to let us identify him easily. Yes, doctor, we are bringing him to the hospital. Okay, now.
I'm not a psychiatric person. What?
Shut up, keep quiet and sit quietly.
What's wrong with you guys? I'm not a mentally impaired person.
Yes, keep quiet, you know that. Keep quiet.
Wait, look, I can explain. Look, let me tell you, I'm not a mentally impaired person. What's wrong with you guys? Doctor, I'm not a mentally impaired person. Untie me.
Bring his folder.
Okay, doctor.
Who's folder?
Read his history.
Okay, doctor. The patient was rushed into a medical facility unconscious and was admitted at the emergency ward at 10 p.m. A comfortable bed was made to suit his condition. Vital signs was checked. His temperature was 39 degrees. Pulse 90 beats per minute. His respiration was 19 cycles per minute and his BP was 170/60. He was diagnosed with dehydration. Patient was kept on fluid replacement and drug therapy. He is responding rapidly to treatment. Also, a series of interrogations with his waiting for treatment. Mr. Fahad.
Wait, I'm not Fahad. You are mistaking me for somebody. I'm Ulchire.
Okay, it's okay.
I'm Ulchire. My name is Ulchire.
Okay, you are Ulchire.
Is suspected of going through a psychiatric condition. A proper assessment was carried out and he was later diagnosed of dementia.
What?
Hence, his referral to the psychiatric unit to continue treatment.
Wait, you are speaking English. Look, free me now or I will file a lawsuit against this hospital. Look, there is still time to avert this calamity, please.
Quiet. Continue the history.
He has stayed in the US for a decade before he was deported back to Ghana due to the expiration of his legal documents. He's a gay and
What? Again?
has peptic ulcer.
His sicknesses are too much.
Too much? What? Yeah.
Patient is suffering from urinary retention and fecal incontinence.
Look, if a man and God, if you could only listen to me at this crucial moment, you won't be making a regrettable mistake. That was seeing the highly reputable image of this hospital. Look, I know the one you are searching for. I can lead, we only exchange clothes. I can lead you to him.
Mr. Fahad.
No, I can lead you to him. We only made a better trade. Serious. Too much? Too much? Too much? Be quiet. Aren't you listening? He's a gay. You will destroy your hands.
Tina, bring me his food and adult pampers. If not, you will swallow the baby.
Pampers! Pampers! For what?
I need it.